David Chamanpras Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by अमूल में देवीय सजना वक्त है पुरुषों के 57 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले का। यूपी दंगल की ओर से आ रहे हैं अमित कुमार। दोस्तों इस बाउट के लिए स्तुति पंजाब रॉयल्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं नितिन राठी। Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to David Chamanpras Pro Wrestling League Season 4, co-powered by Amul. It is head-on today. There's been a change in commentary. My name's Joe Bart, and here we have Mr. Sunil Yash Kalra, the CEO of Pro Wrestling League, joining us here in the commentary box. It is getting exciting. Talk to me, Sunil. Come on.
Well, this is one of the better fights, full of energy and flexibility happening today.
How have you been doing so far? Tell me about the bouts that have happened till now.
Oh man, those have been nail biters. You know, at the end of it, every bout was either ended in tears or last second finishes. This is no different, Joe. Here we have Nitin Rathi.
Yes.
Comes from, trains under the Yogeshwar Academy, the great Yogeshwar Olympic medalist at Baiswal village. He trains under and has got a very fluctuating stuff at the Pro Wrestling League. Right now we see.
Right now we are head-on, like with the 3 bouts each, UP Dangal and of course Stuti Punjab Royals, winning 3 bouts. And right now it's head-on. It's men's 57 between Nitin and Amit. Now Nitin Rathi is more seasoned if we
yes.
see. In terms of experience, and last minute entry, we have Amit Kumar here.
Yes, certainly. Amit Kumar is from the services, and he initially used to play in the 65 kg category.
Whoa, what a brilliant try that was.
But no point, Joe. It was an incomplete attack. But Nitin Rathi is known for his energy, his attack, and his counter-attack. He's known for the first 3 minutes and the last 30 seconds of the bout.
And as we can see, he just sneaked in. And he just wanted to do that move, but then by the end of the day, it was not complete because he initiated that, but could not get it on to the follow-through.
Wow, great! And that, the scores are still tied. They're just sussing them out, each other, and let's see what happens in the next 1.5 minutes.
Well, looks like that's a lot of time sussing out because it's already more than 1.5 minutes going on, and it's a 6-minute game with 1.5 minutes of rest right now. The wrestlers are so-called the standing position as of now, and the basic aim of every wrestler is to throw the opponent down on the mat and try and probably pin his back, the shoulder blades. If both the shoulder blades touch the mat for a certain amount of time, which is 2 or 3 seconds, that means that he is the winner. Otherwise, there are scoring points and, of course, other reasons by which a wrestler can win. And as of now, both the teams are 3 bouts equal, so it is anybody's game, and so is this very bout, which is men's 57.
Well, 57 has been always a marquee category for this Pro Wrestling League. Look at this. It's bound to get rough.
Well, we have seen much more aggression in the last couple of days, and right now looks like Nitin Rathi is in trouble. Amit Kumar has got his left leg locked, so Nitin Rathi is having a little tough time right now. And let's see if that can be scored into point. And yes, that is the first blood drawn by Amit Kumar. And the bout is underway right now. Punjab has to still open their account. UP ahead with 1 point. And we were actually,
you could see a cut on left eye of Amit. Yes, Amit here, Amit Kumar right now. It was a headbutt from Nitin Rathi accidentally when he tried to push him out.
See, that's the wonders. We keep telling our viewers, you have to be really close, but yet not close enough because you could be in danger. To execute a certain move, you have to have minimum space, optimum space.
Yes, certainly. And now, as you could see, with just 1 point lead, UP.
Season 4 co-powered by Amul. And this is a bout which is going to be heads-on because it's men's 57 kilogram. And as you can see on the point score, Punjab and UP, they are both stuck at 3 bouts each. And now, tell me something, you were telling me something interesting about the weight categories, that you have to be qualified for a certain amount of weight. And that happens on the day of the match, is it?
Yes, you have to give your weight and in that specified moment in the first, third and the fifth bout of the match, or a newcomer when he comes in and plays the first match. Incidentally, Amit did cut his weight to the requisite 57 kg category and he made the cut. And like last year, Vladimir Kinchishvili, he came down from 65 weight and fought in the 57 kg category.
So can this happen during the league is on as well, or you have to do it before or maybe after?
No, before the league. You have to give your weight before the league. You can't do it in the midst of it.
Okay, these are the certain rules and some highlights that we got to see. And of course, thank you, Sunil, for this insight, because a lot of things. And there you go. It's trouble time. Nitin Rathi is showing his aggression as of now. And of course, Amit Kumar is gone defensive. Oh, look at that. Look at that. This is trouble time. This is the move we've never seen till now in this season.
Well, Nitin is known to come out with these spectacular moves. He's so acrobatic. And
there you go. He goes for the kill.
He is definitely a party spoiler. He did that in the first year, in the second year as a replacement, and certainly he's spoiling the UP party now.
And of course, as we can see, these were very spectacular moves, not seen so much conventionally, and this was quite an unconventional move. This is like the one day of cricket where, I mean, all those shots that keep happening just come in because of the paucity of time.
Absolutely, and this is what he loves to create. He practices with Bajrang, and you could see Bajrang. Oh, here we are, Alka Tomar, India's first woman world medalist in 2006. Coach of UP, tensed. Here we go. Well, expect now Nitin to do something spectacular. He will go on to the attack. Last 30 seconds, he would do it. Let's see.
Well, we cannot underestimate the power of Amit Kumar as well, because he has a little military background. So if you're in the military, hand-to-hand combat and close combat is what you are taught by every day, you know?
Yes, certainly. In fact, ironically, his coach is Kuldeep, who's now the coach of Punjab right now, egging on Nitin to win. That is Mrs. Katyal right now on your screen.
And she's praying for the best.
15 seconds to go. Can he hold on? Can Nitin Rathi hold on in the back? Black singlet. Looks tough. Amit certainly going in for the kill. Nitin Rathi has a wily customer. He's made it. Punjab has won.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to see the golden moments very soon. Punjab has actually won this bout. It has given them a 1-bout lead now.
Well, Nitin Rathi gets married in the next 15 days, and what a present he's given to his in-laws and family and future wife.
मतलब पंगा